I just told me, yeah, we gon' be straight. He saw me make $1 million off one damn play.
What it do, guys? Welcome back to the channel where we are going to be focused on building wealth in the stock market. All right, guys. So today I'm going to be breaking down my $5,000 stock portfolio on Robinhood. Okay, guys. If you are new to investing and you just want, kind of some insight on where you should go about things, what stocks to invest in, what stocks are better for which type of portfolio, then make sure you stick along to the end. I'm going to be breaking down all the stocks that I have, all the dividends they may pay out, and the growth that I see in the future. Okay, guys? So before we hop into it, make sure to get your free stocks down below in the description. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and tap the bell so that you get notified and you can kind of track and tack along to my journey and see how that goes. Okay, guys? I'm at 5,000 now. I'm working my way up to 10,000 and then building from there. Okay, guys? It's a slow and easy process. Don't make it too complicated. It's just something that you grow over time. Just always know that, it's not fast and, it's not a get rich quick scheme. Okay, guys? This is something that you build gradually over time and, you'll reap benefits from that. Okay, guys? But without further ado, let's hop into my Robinhood portfolio. Okay, so my account is just under $5,000. I do have about $851 in my buying power because I'm preparing for red days. When your stocks are down quite a bit, let's say they're down 3 to 4%, those are times where I like to buy in and see just what, I just like to see what stocks I can get at a cheaper price. Okay, guys? Don't be afraid of red days, especially when you're holding long term, because just see it as a buying opportunity. Okay, so that's what we need to keep in mind for that. But let's hop directly in. Okay, so I'm up, I'm down for the day, not much, still at 0%. For the week, I am up $24, and for the month, I am up $607. Okay, guys, let's look at the 3-month. The 3-month, I am up $726.70. That's 18% on my portfolio. So this is pretty good. A lot of that was because of Dogecoin. Okay, guys? Dogecoin shot up a few weeks back and, I cashed out and it really helped my account out. And that wasn't even a long-term investment. That was just a play I put some money into. It's just Dogecoin is just a meme. So I put $30 into it and I came out with a lot of profit. Okay, guys? All right, guys. So now let's look into what stocks I have in my portfolio. Okay. So first up, we have AT&T. So AT&T is a dividend stock. If you don't know what dividends are basically a payout that a company will give you for holding that share. It's like an incentive for having that stock. So they can pay you quarterly, which is every few months, semi-annually, so a couple times a year, or monthly. So that is a good thing about dividends. Okay, AT&T is one of those dividend stocks that a lot of people partake in. It's not a growth stock, so don't expect the stock to go from its price of $28 all the way to $50. Don't expect that. Just expect to have this in your portfolio so that you can get a dividend payout. Okay, so currently I have about 20 shares of AT&T at an average cost of $26.83. It's about 15% of my portfolio as of now, and I basically dumped this money in there just to get some dividend payouts, guys. It comes quarterly, and the last time I got paid out, I believe it was about $10 for putting almost $600 in. Okay, guys, so that's how much I got from that, and that's why I am in the AT&T stock. Now let's see what we have next. Next is SPG, Simon Property Group. This one is pretty good. I didn't expect this growth out of this stock. I only have about 2 shares of this stock, but it's also a dividend payer. Okay, guys, they pay out dividends as well. The dividend for this one is quite high. The payout is it was about $1 and a little over $1, right, for one share of stock. It's a little more pricey. It's pricier than AT&T, but it was still a great payout, and the growth on this is pretty good. And here's why. Okay, so let's look at the 1-year chart, and basically it's still down for the year. Okay, when the pandemic started, this stock was at, let's see, the 140 range. Okay, so the stock still has some growing to do. I'm expecting to get some more shares of this so that I can catch that growth and also have these shares as dividend payouts. So that is pretty nice right here. And what this stock is basically the real estate for big malls in big areas. Okay, guys. So keep that in mind. Okay, so now we have, next up is NEO. I have 5 shares of NEO at an average cost of $54.60. Now, I actually hopped into NEO kind of late. Okay, I hopped into NEO. I wish I had gotten earlier so I can get those cheaper prices, but it comes with the game. Okay, so I have 5 shares of NEO. NEO is an electric vehicle company, so really look into NEO. NEO is going to have a lot of growth in the near future, so look into that one as well. I'm up 10% total on this play, and keep in mind that I'm also holding all of these long term. Okay, guys, I'm holding all these stocks long term. Okay, so NEO is a great one to have in the portfolio. Let's see what else I have. I have Facebook. Now with these next ones, I wanted to get some OGs in the account. Okay, what do I mean by that? By OGs, I mean top performers in their industry. I wanted some OGs to hold my portfolio down because I know that they're going to do well. Okay, some stocks may be speculative. We're not sure what the company is going to do yet, but these OGs are going to hold you down at all times. So I got Facebook here. I have a little over 2 shares of Facebook at an average cost of $2.62. I am up 2% on this play, and it's about 15% of my portfolio. So that is pretty good. Facebook is always good. I thought of it like this. Okay, we're using these social media apps, Instagram, Facebook, right? Facebook owns Instagram. So why not put your money into it and have it grow if you're using those platforms, right? So that's how I thought about that. Next up, we have Apple. Apple is my by far favorite stock. Why? I'm using an Apple phone right here. An Apple phone is recording this. Guys, it's self-explanatory, okay? For your favorite companies, you should be investing your money into it so that you can have it grow. Don't just be the consumer, and just purchase these products. Put your money into it and have it grow. Okay, think of it like that. Money is a tool, so use that and utilize that so that it's working for you while you are sleeping. Okay, that is the goal here. Passive income. Okay, so Apple is by far my favorite stock. It's currently at $135. My average buying price is at $134, and I'm up almost 1% on this play. Now, keep in mind that I am fairly new to starting this portfolio, so that's why the total returns aren't there yet. I'm still building these out, but years to come, it's gonna grow, I'm pretty sure. Okay, guys, that's just a part of the game. You get in, and then you just keep adding over time. With your long-term portfolio, you wanna make sure that you're adding money in at least monthly so that your portfolio keeps growing, and it's just a building process here. So next stock, we have Amazon. Amazon is one of those hefty stocks. It's currently priced at $3,276.50. So, I'm just building it up from here. So on Robinhood, it's cool that you can do fractional shares. So it's good to keep that in mind. I have 0.17, so almost zero point 0.2 shares of Amazon because the stock is just expensive, right? So it's up 3% total return on my portfolio, and it takes up 15% of my portfolio. So Amazon is another OG to have in your portfolio, okay, guys? It's another company that we use daily. Think about Amazon Prime. If you are subscribed to Amazon Prime, you probably should get this stock, okay? Next one, Tesla. Tesla is a banger. Tesla is a banger. This high growth stock. This is a high growth stock. And what I'm doing with Tesla is buying on the dips because we know that Tesla has those times where it runs up crazy. It's in the EV sector, electrical vehicles. And years down the line, this is going to be what all our cars are. So that is something to keep in mind. Okay. You want to be a smart investor when you're thinking about this. Where should I put my money, and where is it going to actually grow and have a long life expectancy, right? So Tesla's another good one. It's kind of on the pricey side as well. So I have 0.83 shares of Tesla at an average cost of $814. Okay. Tesla was down this past week, so I bought a lot of Tesla, just building out the portfolio. Okay, guys, I am up 0.3% because I'm just getting started. Okay, guys, don't be discouraged. Even if you're down on your plays or the stocks that you're in, if it's long term and you believe in the company, don't worry. Do not sell those stocks. Keep them, because over the long term, you'll get your money back. All right. So let's see what else we got. Microsoft. I hopped into Microsoft. I kind of slept on it for a minute. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. I kind of slept on Microsoft for a minute, but I had to jump in because it's another one of those OGs that you need. Okay, our computers, a lot of the things that we do, Microsoft is in on that. Okay, and I want to get a piece of those profits. That's how you have to think. Okay, guys, we want to think like, oh, this company is going to grow a lot over time. They've been around here for a while, and it's just something good to see. Okay, so Microsoft is good to have. Let's see what I have 0.84 shares of Microsoft, and I'm up almost 4% on this play. So let's hop into the next one. Let's see what we got. Plug Power. Okay, so I actually got this as a free stock. So what I'm doing now is keeping the free stocks that I get from Robinhood. Okay, and here is why. I got Plug Power at $2 as a free stock, and now it is up to $63.35. That is insane. I didn't even do anything. I didn't even purchase this, guys. So this is a free $63 that I got. So make sure to keep your free stocks just in case and see if it grows. All right, guys. But let's see what else. Let's see what else we have. Okay. So that is it. And I did dabble into some more crypto. Okay. I don't really know how I feel about crypto as of now, but it is one of those things that I want to catch the wave up. Okay. So I just recently put $10 into Bitcoin. I know it's not much, but I just want to test it out. Okay, guys. And it's kind of at a high price, so I didn't want to put too much and then be down for a while. So if it dips a lot, then I'll put some more money in and have the Bitcoin grow over time. Now with Dogecoin, it's a meme, so I'm not really long-term expectancy on Doge. I'm not sure as of now. I'm still pondering on it, seeing what I want to do with it. So I put $10 in Dogecoin as well. Like I said earlier in the video, I put $30 in Dogecoin back in July, and I cashed out in January with $500 profit. Crazy, guys. So that is my portfolio. It's a lot of stocks that are a well-known brand or company. And I wanted to start that like that because, I want to have a strong foundation. That's what you would want to do with your portfolio. You want to have a strong foundation so that you can kind of see how things go. You want to have a strong strong backbone in your portfolio, so that if the market is down or things of that sort, you'll be okay. Okay, I know that these will perform long term. It's a long term investing plan. So, I just wanted to play it smart. Okay, I'm not trying to hop into all these penny stocks and all that. I am just trying to have long term growth at a safe rate where I can buy on dips. And what I mean by that is buy on red days, so that I can get it at a cheaper price and get more profit from that. Okay, guys? But that is where my almost $5,000 portfolio is standing at right now. Make sure to comment down below where you're at in your portfolio, what stocks you have. And if you have any questions, make sure to drop those down below as well. Don't forget to join the Discord as well, guys. I forgot to mention that in the beginning. Join the Discord, and we can chop it up in there. Okay, guys. We're on our road to 10K. It should come pretty soon. I've been dumping a lot of money into these stocks, so we're gonna see where it's at a year from now, 2 years from now, 10. It's just crazy to see. I just want to see this process build up, and it should be something great. All right, guys. But without further ado, that is it for this video. So I'll see you guys in the next one. Let's get it, and let's go.
I just told me, yeah, we gon' be straight. He saw me make $1 million off one damn play.